Ah, winning distinctive dancer Dinara from the outside, amazing Damascus Storm played on the inside, Stellar Race Abasta Dinara from the outside, distinctive dancer done on the inside and racing third by about 2 lengths, amazing Damascus. Rounding the far turn, Dinara, distinctive dancer, amazing Damascus joining them. It's now amazing Damascus. Dinara is running on the outside by Drell is distinctive dancer. Storm play Abasta is Stellar Race. Amazing Damascus by about 5 lengths. Distinctive dancer Dinara on the outside, Storm plate Abasta, amazing Damascus, and finally number 3, amazing Damascus. Distinctive dancer Storm play Abasta Dinara. Stellar Race comes last.